Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code Editor on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. Open your browser and type Visual Studio Code on the browser search bar. Here click on the first link that says code.visualstudio.com. Now, as you can see, it automatically detects my operating system and this is the stable version. So click on it. Now the download task is finished. Click this open file or you can go to your downloads folder. In order to use the Visual Studio Code Editor, you need to accept the agreement. So click I accept the agreement and click next. Now you can change the location of the Visual Studio Code program files by clicking the Browse tab, or you can leave the default as is. I'm gonna leave the default as is and it will install it under my users directory. Now here it is going to create the program shortcut in the Start Menu folder. So I would like to have on my Start Menu folder the Visual Studio Code folder. So I'm going to click Next. Here you can leave the default as is. If you want a desktop icon, you can select this Create a Desktop icon. Otherwise, click Next. Now click Install. Now I would like to uncheck this Launch Visual Studio Code now and click Finish. Now open your command line window. Here I would like to see what version I have installed in my system. As you can see, I have installed version 1.84.2. Now I'm gonna create a new folder under my downloads folder and then I'm going to open Visual Studio Code Editor in that folder. As you can see, I don't have any subfolders under my downloads folder. Now if I execute the previous command again, you can see my new folder has been created under my downloads folder. Now I'm going to cd to my project folder. Here under my project folder, I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code Editor. To launch the Visual Studio Code Editor, I use code space dot and I'm saying here open Visual Studio Code Editor in the current folder. So this dot means nothing but current folder. As you can see, I opened the Visual Studio Code Editor under my project folder. And this can help to organize all your project files. Thank you for watching.